Welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're a teacher, you already know the drill. The demands on your time are just absolutely relentless. But what if we could totally shift that paradigm? Today, we're unpacking 11 vital AI prompts that will literally revolutionize how you approach your day-to-day teaching workflow. Let's get into it. I want you to seriously think about this for a second. What if you could save hours, and I mean hours of lesson planning? What if you could create incredibly engaging classroom activities in just a few minutes and actually provide personalized feedback to every single kid, all without spending your entire evening hunched over your kitchen table while your dinner gets cold? It sounds like a total pipe dream, right? But the reality is, with the right prompts, ChatGPT can step in as this amazingly capable digital co-teacher to actually make it happen. So here's our roadmap for today. We're going to cover 6 key areas: the AI teaching assistant, lesson planning and prep, engaging your students, assessment and meaningful feedback, differentiation and data, and finally, communication and professional growth. All right, kicking things off with Section 1, the AI teaching assistant, your brand new digital co-teacher. Moving right into Section 2, lesson planning and prep. This is all about building that solid educational foundation. Okay, here's where the workflow gets really cool. The secret is to stack your prompts. You don't just ask for a basic lesson plan and call it a day. Instead, you first generate a highly structured lesson plan, and then, as a seamless second step, you expand that foundation into a rich, real-world, project-based learning experience. Let's look at exactly how to do that. Here's your go-to foundational tool. Prompt number 2, generate lesson plans. It's super simple. Just provide the AI with your topic, your student's grade level, your specific learning objectives, and the class time you have available. When you feed it those parameters, just watch it go. It creates a complete, highly structured lesson plan. And it doesn't just spit out a vague outline. It actually generates the specific activities, the built-in assessments, and even initial differentiation strategies right out of the gate. Now, once you have that solid foundation, you can totally elevate it. Enter prompt number 7, design project-based learning activities. We all know that helping kids connect abstract, dry concepts to real-world applications is where the actual magic happens in teaching. Use this prompt to brainstorm exciting project ideas, generate realistic timelines for your students to follow, and even create built-in reflection activities that make sure the learning actually sticks. All right, Section 3, engaging your students. Let's talk about the actual classroom experience. To really maximize that classroom experience, you're going to want to use prompt number 1. Create interactive learning activities. Look, instead of spending your precious, limited prep period designing exercises from scratch, just ask the AI to instantly generate collaborative activities, classroom games, and tailored project experiences. You literally just tell it what concept your kids are struggling with and ask for a game or interactive activity to teach it. It's a lifesaver. Next up, we have prompt number 6, create discussion questions. Now, the crucial point here is that we aren't just looking for simple rote recall, right? We want to promote deep, critical thinking. So use this prompt to generate open-ended questions that encourage analysis and spark those really meaningful, energetic classroom dialogues. It totally takes the pressure off you to constantly come up with the perfect, thought-provoking question on the fly. Which brings us to Section 4, assessment and meaningful feedback, otherwise known as the aftermath. Here's why this part is so vital. We all know meaningful feedback is quite possibly the most powerful tool in education. But let's be honest, traditional feedback is incredibly time-consuming. And often, just because we are so short on time, it ends up being way too broad. AI-generated feedback, on the flip side, is a real game changer. It allows you to be highly efficient while still delivering beautifully individualized, constructive responses. To pull that off, lean on prompt number 4, generate personalized feedback. You can input a student's response or essay, give the AI your grading criteria, and use this exact prompt to help draft constructive, individualized feedback. It highlights exactly what the student did well and gives them very specific, actionable steps for growth. It literally saves you hours of grading time, but the student still gets that personal attention they absolutely deserve. But hey, before you can give feedback, you got to assess them first, right? That's prompt number 3, create assessment questions. Whether you need a quick 5-question multiple-choice quiz for a formative check, or you need complex, higher-order thinking tasks for a big summative exam, you can just ask ChatGPT to generate assessment questions that perfectly align with your specific curriculum standards. And to tie all your assessments and feedback together in a nice, neat bow, use prompt number 8,
Develop rubrics. Clear expectations are the absolute bedrock of student success, and this prompt creates detailed, structured assessment rubrics in seconds. It makes your grading so much more consistent across the board, completely transparent for your kids, and just vastly more efficient for you.
Moving on to Section 5, differentiation and data, reaching every single student. Every single classroom is a wonderfully diverse mix of learners, which brings us to prompt number 5, differentiate instruction. You can take literally any lesson plan, whether you wrote it from scratch or the AI wrote it, and ask it to adapt the content. Need a challenging extension activity for your advanced learners? Done. Need simplified reading materials for English language learners or kids who are struggling? Done. It lets you easily adapt your lessons to meet specific learning needs without having to pull your hair out creating 4 completely different lesson plans. So once you've taught the lesson, you're left with a bunch of data. Time for prompt number 10, analyze student performance data. By pasting in anonymized classroom data or quiz results, the AI essentially acts as your own personal data analyst. It can spot specific metrics, identify classroom-wide trends, pinpoint learning gaps, and, this is the best part, it suggests actionable insights and brand new instructional opportunities to address those exact gaps. And finally, Section 6, communication and professional growth, the empowered educator. Keeping those lines of communication open with parents and guardians is absolutely vital. But man, drafting those emails can eat up so much of your day. Prompt number 9 is your ultimate shortcut. Write parent communication messages. This helps you instantly draft professional emails, weekly newsletters, sensitive progress updates, or just routine classroom announcements. You just give it the rough bullet points and it completely nails the polished professional tone for you. And hey, this last one is just for you. Prompt number 11, reflect and improve teaching practices. Great educators are lifelong learners, right? So use the AI as your own private, totally objective reflection partner. You can type in how a lesson went, what totally rocked, what completely fell flat on its face, and just brainstorm improvements. It's an amazing way to explore new teaching strategies and refine your craft in a completely judgment-free zone. As we wrap this up, there's one absolutely fundamental truth we've got to highlight here. These 11 prompts are incredibly powerful productivity tools designed to free you up. But at the end of the day, they're just tools. AI is always going to require your irreplaceable professional judgment, your unique creativity, and your hard-earned educational expertise to actually work. It's a co-teacher, guys. It's absolutely not a replacement for the vital human connection you bring to your classroom every single day. So I want to leave you with a question to really chew on today. By using these prompts to spend drastically less time on those repetitive tasks like formatting rubrics and drafting emails, how are you going to use your newly reclaimed time? How will you use that freed up energy to connect more deeply with your students and focus on what truly matters most in education? The time is yours again. Go make an amazing impact with it.